Hello all. From today, I am actually thinking to start um, how to prepare for SAP FI certification, that is SAP S4 HANA for Financial Accounting Associates. It's CTS4 FI 1809 um, certification exam. So in our previous videos, we have practiced a lot on whole FI business processes in general ledger accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, asset accounting. So now we have a basic knowledge of what actually FI is. So to continue with the process, to understand, let us learn um, more in detail with each and every concept in FI. So and also which helps us in getting through the certification exam. So I am planning to do in my coming videos. I am designing our practice on how to take SAP certified exam and how to practice to pass the exam. And also, as I said in our previous videos, we covered all the major processes and understood the overall picture of FI. So in upcoming videos, I try to focus in detail how to get through the exam by understanding each and every concept. So why I suddenly came up with certification practice? So, so to understand that, we should know the importance of certification. Now in the market, if we see in the SAP market, the more weightage goes on to the resumes which have certifications. So more weightage to our resume, it gives more weightage to our resume, and also 60 to 70% of the chance in winning the interviews. So nowadays it became popular, the certification has become popular, and it is a lot more easier than before. Before, when I was working in ECC, it was much difficult to go through the exam. Means like there were lot of things you have to satisfy just to give the certification exam. But now it seems the process became very much easier, so everyone can take the certification exam, which actually adds value to their resume. So and now even this SAP S4 HANA product was very much popular in the market. So before, everyone was worked on ECC, and in order to prove that they have experience in SAP S4 HANA, at least they have a knowledge in SAP S4 HANA, they can show up like they did their certification in SAP S4 HANA, which shows that they have full knowledge in SAP S4 HANA. So and also while practicing um, to pass this exam, we can learn in a structured way. So and also we can focus on our particularly financial accounting skills, as we are focusing on FI certification exam. So it covers general ledger accounting, accounts payable and accounts receivable, asset accounting, financial closing, and even few more simple concepts of validations and substitutions, etc. So now let us understand the pattern of questions, how it will be in the certification exam. So the actual questions in certification exam, we need to actually read the question carefully and need to understand each and every word in the question, because it may impact the answer. And also there will be some question hint. It will tell how many answers are correct, whether it is only one answer is correct or it is multiple number of answers which are correct. So the answer can be multiple responses or only one multiple choice. Like for a single question there might be one or two or more than two answers. So for that the question will be like it will be like select the answer which is correct. By reading that question we can understand that it is a single answer question. If it is a multiple responses, in the question itself we will get a hint that please select all the answers which are relevant. So it will give us a hint all the answers. If it is multiple number of answers, so we need to understand the pattern of questionnaire and how we need to select the answers. If we select only single answer for the multiple number of answers, it will not be considered as correct. So we should be very much careful in answering the questions, and each and every word in the question is important. So let us move on further and let us see how we can succeed in our practice. And I hope and I wish everyone to do their certifications, and good luck for their careers. So to know what is the certification exam name, it is CTS4FI 1809. It is the first exam for financial accounting associates. So here we need to understand if already there is if anyone already did their certification in ACC, they can directly do the certification of next level, not the associate. I think it might be professional level, so they can directly do the certificate if that is a Delta certification. So if anyone didn't do any certification and they are directly doing the SAP S/4HANA certification, they need to start with associates. So there will be two examinations, one for FI and one for CO. But for Delta, who are already certified in ECC, they have only a single exam which combined with FI and CO. So now in our videos we will be practicing for the certification financial accounting associates. So for whom it will be more beneficial? So as I mentioned here, the certification will be more beneficial for the person who was newly hired for SAP implementation, or to a person working as a support consultant and whose project is getting upgraded to SAP S/4HANA. or also a student who is a graduate who need to pursue his or who need to start his or her career in SAP. So so now let us move on and understand what are the different certifications available in addition to SAP S4 HANA for Financial Accounting Associates. So in addition to the FI and CO certifications, if we see, this is FI and this is CO, Financial Accounting and Management Accounting. In addition to this, we can see these are the few more certifications available for FICO consultants who are interested in other integrated business processes or SAP Activate Project Manager. Let us go on with each and every certification which are nearly linked to FICO. So if we see the portfolio of certifications for SAP S4 HANA which are interesting for financial accounting consultant. If we see this, we have an integrated business processes in SAP S4 HANA and also SAP Activate Project Manager. If we know like in ECC there is an ASAP methodology, in SAP S4 HANA it was converted to SAP Activate methodology. So I have a plan of doing separate videos on Fiori and this SAP Activate methodology. We will discuss more in detail regarding these things. So let us now understand what are the different kinds of certifications which financial accounting consultant might be interested. So even he can do these certifications in addition to FI and CO. So other one is SAP S4 HANA implementation scenarios for architects. So let us, I will give a brief idea of all these certifications, what are all this about. And also this one is financials in SAP S4 HANA for SAP ERP finance experts. So this is an associate level, and for professional level this one certification is enough for both FI and CO. Once we complete this level, associate level, this is the professional level. So other one is SAP S4 HANA Cloud Finance Implementation. It is based on cloud. So in our previous videos when we are discussing different kinds of implementations, we have understood that there is on-premise and cloud-based. So how the finance implementation is done on cloud will be explained in detail in these things. So let us have a brief idea of each certification, what each is about. So if we talk about integrated business processes in SAP S4 HANA, this certification helps us in having understanding of the integrated business processes in SAP S4 HANA, including the SAP Fiori, financial and management accounting, human capital management, and SAP success factors. So procure to pay, plan to produce, warehouse management in SAP, order to cash, project systems, and SAP enterprise asset management. So if we do this certification, we will have an integrated knowledge in all the business modules which we have listed just now. So it is human capital management and success factors, which is a HR related modules, procure to pay, plan to produce, warehouse management, order to has, project systems, enterprise asset management. I think this is one of the good certifications if we are more integrated with all the modules in addition to FICO. So another certification is SAP Activate Project Manager. So actually this is an SAP Activate, as I said, it is an implementation methodology which replaced ASAP methodology in ECC. So all projects in SAP S/4HANA will be based on SAP Activate methodology. So mainly if we see, the name itself denotes that it is mainly for project managers. Even if we are not a project manager and we are aspiring to become a project manager, or if we want to know how the project works, this will be a good certification. And also implementation scenarios for architects. So this certification is mainly suits to SAP basis consultant, architect. Okay, so as discussed, this is for management accounting, financial accounting. This is, as we know, like one for CO and one for FI, and the other one is for professional. So this is one for cloud based. So SAP S/4HANA cloud implementation as finance experts. If we are trying to implement finance in cloud based systems, this is one of the certification available and which is good to complete. So if we see, the length of the exam will be 3 hours and exam questions will be 80 questions, which has multiple choice or multiple selection. So exam location, it might be at a certification center or through online. Through online it will be like through SAP certification hub. So if we want to subscribe for SAP certification hub, it is a cloud based system. So we have to subscribe it for annually, and once we subscribe, we can have 6 certification attempts in that period. So if we want to know more information about this, we can log on to this website and get more details. And also if we want to be up to date with our learnings, we can go to this website, but it is not a free of cost website. If we want to learn something and we need to get some of the material from the website, we need to pay for it. So now let us understand to pass the exam, how many questions we need to answer correctly. We need to answer 63% of the questions correctly. That means we need to answer 51 questions out of 80 questions. So we need to answer 51 questions correctly. So if we see the breakup from each module, how many questions will be asked in the examination. So we can see that in financial closing it is like 12 questions. In general ledger accounting 16, AP and AR 16, asset accounting 16, SAP financial cross topics 12 questions, and SAP HANA and SAP S4 HANA 12 questions. We already made a detailed video on what is SAP HANA and SAP S4 HANA, so you can check my videos and have a look on this video. And also, if we have SAP Learning Hub access, we can check these ebooks. So I think the people who were already working in companies might have this access. uh, to get personally it is little bit expensive. Even SAP Live Access is for practice, and SAP Learning Hub is where we get the ebooks to study. So these are the books which we can search in SAP Learning Hub to prepare for this certification exam. Basics of customizing for financial accounting, additional financial accounting config, asset accounting in SAP S4 HANA, financial closing in SAP S4 HANA. We can search these books in SAP Learning Hub. So I will try my level best to cover all the information required for this certification in my coming videos. Just to have an idea of what all we need to practice, I am just giving an overview in this video. So in our upcoming videos we will be mainly focusing on preparing for the certification and learning in detail step by step business process or configuration in SAP FI, SAP S4 HANA. All the best to everyone. Thank you.